Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Our topic is shear force and bending moment diagram. We first start with the course organization. So we'll first study what is beams, then types of supports and beams, then what is shear force, then what is bending moment, and finally what is the relation between the shear force and bending moment and the loading or the forces acting in a beam. Now what is beam? Any structural element or a load carrying member which is subjected to transverse load can be called as a beam. Now consider a square bar as shown in a figure on which three transverse loads P1, P2 and P3 is acting as shown in a figure, and it has been supported at its two ends by means of two supports at the bottom. This structural member can be called as a beam since the loads are acting in the transverse direction. As we know, there are two transverse directions, but in this case a load is acting in only one transverse direction, which is the y direction. So this structural member is called as a beam. Now let's study what are different types of supports and beams. First, we take types of supports. First kind of support is a roller support. Consider the beam as shown in red. If the beam rests on a member which can roll on a surface, or it directly rests on a wall as shown in this figure, we call this support as a roller support. Roller support is denoted by this symbol, a triangle below which there are two rollers. Now roller support provides reaction in only one direction, that is in the vertical direction, denoted by V. Now the second type of support is called as a hinged support. So as we can see in this figure, this kind of support will be called as a hinged support. In the hinged support, we have this beam which has this central hole, and we have this support which is of the form as shown in the figure, and it also has a hole, and through this hole a pin passes such that your beam is supported to this fixed support. We can see that due to this arrangement your beam can easily rotate about the z-axis as shown in a figure. However, its linear displacement in y and z direction is prohibited. So this is a top view of the beam. Of course, this support shown over here will be a roller support. Hinged support is denoted by a triangle and dashed line like this. Now hinged support provides reaction in any direction. However, since it is customary to resolve the force or reaction in the horizontal x and y direction, we have the reactions as vertical reaction V and horizontal reaction H. The third kind of support is called as fixed or built-in support. So as you can see in this figure, this is a beam which goes inside the wall, which is a fixed support. Hence this kind of support is called as fixed support or built-in support. Fixed support is denoted as shown in a figure. And fixed support reactions are a vertical support reaction V, a horizontal support reaction H, and a couple or moment M such that the beam cannot rotate about Z direction.